So hello everyone, now we are going to solve a problem of longest substring without repeating character. We have given a string and we have to return an length of a substring which do not repeat the character. Like here we have ABC and it here no character is repeating, so we have to find the maximum substring without repeating the character. So we will do this using the two pointer and sliding window technique. So what we'll be doing in this question, we will be using a hash map, or we can say a tree set. We can make the hash map or tree set, and initially we will make two pointer left or right variable, which is initially defining the both at 0th position. So now it will defining basically left to right, basically defining our current substring. So our current substring would be this one. So we would check by the right pointer whether a right character should our hash map or not. It is not our hash map, so we can include this in our hash map, and then we can make a length variable also, which is initially we can say 0. So what we can do, we can calculate length then, and what is the formula of calculating that? It would be right minus left plus 1. Plus 1 basically to include current element, so your right be pointing to the 0 and left also pointing to 0, so 0 minus 0 plus 1 basically 1. So we will replace this by 1 because we can find the maximum, and now our right pointer move to the right position, so right pointer become here. Again our substring would be this one. We can say we will again check whether B contain in our map or not. It is not contain, so we will push the B in our map, and we will again calculate the length. It is 1 minus 0 plus 1, so it will become basically 2, which is greater than that. Again right pointer basically point to C, and our substring would be this. Currently we would check basically whether C contain or not. C is not contain, so we can put C in our hash map and then again calculate the length, and it will come like 2 minus 0 plus 1, so it will come 3, so we can replace this by 3. Again right pointer move forward, it will come at the character at A, so now our substring would be there. We will check whether A contain or not, so A is contained basically in our hash map. So what we will do, we will be minimize our substring from the left position. Like from here we will minimize our substring, and we will remove character until the we remove the A character from our hash map. So we would remove left character, we would remove A. Again we will check it is contain or not. It is not contain, so our now basically we can say our current substring would be this one, and left pointing to this one and right is pointing to this one. Okay, so again it will calculate 3 minus 1 plus 1, again it will 3, so we will not replace because it is as equal to that. So right pointer come at here, we will check is B contain or not. So B is contain. Now our substring would be here, so B is contain, and now we will minimize the substring from left hand side, and we minimize till B is not contain. So we will remove the left character, it will remove, and left move forward, so it come at here. So now we will again check is B contain or not. So B is not contain, so we can include our B, and now our substring would be this one. So I will tell you. So now left pointer is here, and right pointer is basically left pointer basically is here and right pointer is here. So now our currently substring is this. So what we can do, we can again move the right pointer to forward, so it is come here. Now again we will check whether C contain or not. C is contain. So what we can do, we can just minimize our string from left hand side. We can remove the left character. So C is removed, our left come to here. So again we will check C is contain or not. It is not contain, so we will push C in here, and now our current substring, we can say it this one. We again calculate the length, which is 5 minus we can say 5 minus 3 plus 1, which is again come 3. So we cannot replace this. Again right pointing is move here. So now our current substring, it is this one, our current substring. So what we can do, we can minimize our substring from the left pointer. So we remove basically A from here. We also have A, so we will remove this A, and now left pointer move here. Now our substring would be this. We can say this is our substring now, and we will again check B is contain or not. B is again contain, so we will again minimize the substring from left hand side. So we can remove again B, and now our left pointer should be point this one, and now our substring would be there. We again check B is contain or not. B is not contain, so what we can do, we can push our B into the hash map, and now the length become 6 minus 5, because it is right our pointer here and left is here, and plus 1. So what is shown is become 2, but we have already greater than that 3, and again the basically right pointer come here. Now our current substring would be this. So we again check whether B is contain or not. B is contain, so what we do, we minimize from left hand side. Our left pointer would be here after removing the C character. Now our substring would be this. We again check B is contain or not. B is again contain, so we will remove again B. Now left and right both should pointing here, and B is not contain. So what we can do, we can again push the B character, and we calculate the length, and it would be 7 minus 7 plus 1, that would come to 1, but we have already have maximum 3, so at the end we would return 3. And the time complexity, average time complexity would be big O of n, and it is a sliding window technique using the 2 pointer. I hope you understand this.